Hi friends, let me show you these new broom holder accessories that I received for reviewing purposes. They come in a set of 2 in each box. Each of them have 4 broom holders like these ones and 5 hooks for any kind of accessory. You get all the accessories to install them and these black caps so the screws won't be seen, okay? You can install them with screws here, or you could use this double-sided tape that you get in the package to install them, okay? We are going to install one with the double-sided tape, okay? And the other one with screws, okay? So you just put the tape like this, okay? And this one will be with the screws, okay? Let's install them. First, we are going to install the one with the adhesive strip, okay? That's it. We want to install this really straight, so we use the lever, and it will be really easy to install because it's just a sticker, a double-sided tape. So it will be perfectly installed there, okay? Now we're ready to use it. You could use screws to double secure it. See how easy it is to hang accessories, the broom, mop, all what you need in a cleaning room or in a tool room. You can use it with any accessory.